Hey guys, in this video I want to be answering the question if you can use a promo discount code using the Subway app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to walk through the process of ordering Subway and see if there's a chance or there's a spot where you can put in a promo or discount code. So for this demonstration I'm just going to put a random product item into my cart here. So I'm just going to click on this one here. I'm going to add this meatball sub into my cart. So now what I'm going to do is go to view cart. I'm going to schedule this order for a later time or date. Essentially what we need to do is head to the checkout section to see if there's a spot where you can add a promo code. So I'm at the checkout section here. As you can see, there's no spot to put a promo code. If I go ahead and click proceed to payment, there's no spot here. If I go pay now, let's see if there's a spot here where you can put in a promo discount code. This is generally where you can add these codes. All right, I'm at the payment checkout page here. And as you can see, there's only a spot to put in your credit card, Visa card, but no promo or discount code options. So at this point in time, in August 2024, time of recording, you cannot use a promo or discount code for Subway.